During a traffic stop along I-40, Oklahoma Bureau of Narcotics agents found bags of cocaine inside this horse trailer.
They will just go to extreme lengths to try to move drugs across the country and try to look like a legitimate load at the same time.
The OBN says over 350 pounds of cocaine were seized during the stop.
The 160 kilos potentially has about a $4.3 million street value.
Also inside the trailer, 6 horses with nowhere to go.
This being late at night, you don't have a lot of options, but we were grateful that after a phone call to the Blaze Equine Rescue, they stepped up and said, yeah, we will absolutely help you all out.
Natalie Cross, the founder of the nonprofit Horse Rescue, says it was a call she never expected.
That's not a normal phone call that I have received. So, we immediately, started getting everything together, hooking our trailer up and, heading out to go get these 6 horses that had been through, a crazy ordeal already.
Cross learned after taking in the horses that some of them have an interesting past.
Most of them had microchips. The ones that didn't have a microchip had a lip tattoo. So those traced us back to, we know that a few of them were former racehorses.
The OBN is still investigating, and as for the horses, they'll be spending the next few months at the rescue.
They will finish their quarantine time, which is almost up, and then they are going to go join the herd in the pasture and get to be horses for a while.